Hello guys, it's a bit an unusual video today. So basically I've ordered some equipment for my Insta360 and some lighting. So let's have a look. We're gonna unpack first the Insta360. So I'll go here. And let's have a look. So basically what I've ordered from eBay, it was screen protector for my Insta360. Oh, got two of them, which is good. Let's have a look if they're not broken. Alright. Well, it was advertised on eBay that the screen protector are a Gorilla Glass, or how they call it. They're not. Oh, disappointed. Alright, let's see what else I get. And I've got some lens guards as well. What is this? Can you see it? Here you go. My Insta360, can you see it? Nice. I love this camera. Sadly, I have no time. So let's have a look what else I got in this package. Look what I got here. Can you see? Alright, yeah, it's in focus. So basically, I bought this one from eBay for like £10, but Insta360, the shop, you can buy from the online shop for like £20. It's a rip-off. So let's have a look. So I think they're pretty much the same ones. Alright, let's have a look what's inside. Alright, so well, not bad. Let's have a look if they're not cracked. Pack it nicely. Shit. No, that's one. Can you see? Let's make it in focus. Not bad. Front. It says front here. I don't know if you can read it. It says front. It's alright. And let's have a look at another one. This one says back. Let's, if you can read it. It says back. Made in China. Please install on the inner lens. Got them. What else? Wow. Some sticky. Don't know what they are. This one, I don't know what this is for, I have no idea. What else I got in this package? Well, Insta360 guidance, no need this. It's not rocket science. So let's have a look at this one. So this one I bought from Amazon. Basically a new lighting. So let's have a look what's inside. Called Ulenzi. No idea. Alright, let's have a look. Same, made in China, if you can see. Made in China. I think everything is made in China nowadays. Let's have a look. Yeah, I'm excited to try this. There's a pen like that. I paid for this like £40 from Amazon. Be expensive, but hopefully that will fulfill my needs. Right, let's see. It's unpacked. It's a nice package. Let's unpack it. Hopefully you can see me very well. I'm using Canon EFS 10 18mm lens today. because it's quite close. Well, not bad. That's how it looks. That's it. Look how small it is. Let's have a look if at least this. What? And how you can switch this one off? What else to go in this package? Oh, you got a charger. No idea what's there. Let's have a look. How you switch it off or on? Oh, right, here you go, found it. Ah, it's dead. Oh, here you go, it's working. Can you see? Oh, nice. So, make it brighter. Let's change the color. Pretty cool. You can change the color. You can see. Can you see it? Yeah. Not bad. For £40. The quality. Well, it's made in China, so what can I expect? Alright. Cop car. It's pretty interesting. Oh, I love it. It's cool. Do you know? I was gonna try that. Alright guys, thanks for watching this unusual video, which I posted on YouTube. Well, if you like it, just subscribe. If not, don't subscribe. It's up to you. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and I think I'm gonna make some videos next week, hopefully. That's because I'm getting married next month. Alright guys, thanks for watching.